Alright guys, so we've got our transmitter plugged into our alligator clips for our circuit breaker finder. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to clip our black lead onto the ground, just like that. And then we're going to clip our red lead onto this hot screw up here, just like that. So then we'll come down here and make sure that we got a light on. We do have a light on, so you just want to leave that as it is. And now we'll take our digital circuit breaker receiver to the panel and we'll find out which breaker this is. Before we do that, now's a good time for you all to take a second and go down and down at the bottom over here and click the like, and then over here on this side click the subscribe button. We try to put out all types of content. We put out tool deals, specifically Milwaukee tool deals, Fluke tool deals, Lowe's deals, Home Depot deals. We put out a bunch of stuff. So this is one of our how-to videos in the how-to category. And yeah, just take this time to go down there and smash that like and subscribe button, and we'll go find this circuit breaker. Alright guys, so here we are at our breaker panel. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and expose all the breakers. Now as you can see, I've got a breaker for the washer, but I don't have any breakers that say laundry room. So we're going to have to trace this breaker. That's why I included this tool in this video. So all you do is turn this on, and then you're going to make one pass across all the breakers, leave it on, and then make another pass. So we're going to start right there, then we're going to go to the next one, the next one. You just slowly pass over these breakers. Just keep slowly passing over these breakers. And then the same thing on this side. Alright, now we're going to make another pass. Wherever it beeps red this time is definitely the correct circuit breaker. You've got to go once to let it scan your panel, and then when you go the second time, that's when it tells you which breaker it is. It's definitely the living room breaker. So I'm gonna go, let me turn this off. I'm gonna go make sure that nothing in the living room is gonna be affected by this breaker going off, and then we'll come back and show you how to verify that. Alright guys, so I went and told the family that they're gonna lose their living room lights and power for a minute. So we're gonna turn this breaker right here off, and we'll see if this thing, we'll turn that breaker off and see if this thing stops beeping. It should have. Yep, that's how you know you got the right breaker. So now we'll go back to the light switch and do what we got to do. Alright guys, so sorry about the background noise. The washer's filling up with water. We're going to take this non-contact voltage detector, and we're going to verify that that same screw that was hot is no longer hot. There's nothing hot in this box. There's no power here. Everything is off. So now that we know everything is off, we're going to remove this light switch.